is giving us some information that a cube has a surface area of 54 square inches, and we're asked to find its volume. So the thing is, in order to find volume of a cube, we're going to need to know the length of the sides. We've not been given the length of the sides, but we've been given the surface area of the whole cube. So it's almost like we're going to have to work forward, and then we're going to have to work backward. Okay? So let's do this. The first thing I want you to do is draw the sketch of the cube with me. That's a good skill for you to have, because if you can visualize what's going on, it makes it much easier to avoid errors. Okay, so I often start out with the face. Sometimes I start out with the base of the cube, but let's start out with the face this time and just create the sides. You see how I made these 4 segments all at the same angle and pretty much the same length? So now I can connect these, connect this, and we've got our cube. Okay, which means that if it's a cube, this side is the same length as this side is the same length as this side, and that's why I'm using an S to represent sides. Surface area, as you will recall, is going to equal, in the case of a cube, you've got the face. For example, this face right here is the area of this face right here is going to be S times S, length times width, right? Okay. And how many of those faces are on this cube? Well, there's 6 of them. So we have 6 times S squared is equal to 54, because we've been told that the surface area is 54 square inches. So if I divide both sides by 6, that gives me S squared is equal to 9, which gives me S is equal to plus or minus 3. Obviously, -3 is not a good solution since you can't have a negative dimension. So that means we know that the length of the side is just 3, okay? So if this is equal to 3, then this is equal to 3, and this is equal to 3. We can easily find the volume. Now, I'm not going to work it the rest of the way. You can take it from there. I just showed you how to work backwards, and now I'm going to let you work forward toward the volume on your own.